Good morning, my dear children. Let us learn EVS. In our EVS, we have finished our third lesson also. And next, let us learn lesson 4, changes around us, which is our fourth lesson, changes around us. Lesson 4, changes around us. Lesson 4, changes around us. And one activity is given here. What difference do you observe in the sky at daytime and at night? Okay, what you can see. Daytime we can see sun, and night we can see moon and stars. Like this you have to write. Then there are many changes taking place every day, and some changes occur by themselves. They are called natural changes. Some changes are made by humans. They are called human-made changes. And in lesson 3 we learned natural things and human-made things. And today we are learning about changes around us. നമുക്ക് ചുറ്റുമുള്ള changes. Then let us see. In the morning, you can see sun, and sun rises in the east. And when it gets dark, sun goes, and who comes? Moon comes. Okay. So you can see a change. These all changes we are not making in the nature itself. അല്ലേ ഈ സൂര്യൻ ഉദിക്കുന്നതും ചന്ദ്രൻ വരുന്നതും, that means sunrise and sunset, we are not making the changes. The changes are happening in the nature itself. ഈ ചേഞ്ചസ് നേച്ചറിൽ തന്നെ സംഭവിക്കുന്നതാണ് അല്ലേ. So such changes are called natural changes. What we call it? Natural changes. And some changes we make, that are called human-made changes. Okay, and some we make that are called human-made changes. And see, we are changing the shape of a bottle, and we are changing the shape of a balloon. We are changing the shape of a ball. That all changes we are making. Such changes are called human-made changes. Okay, so two types of changes are there: natural changes and human-made changes. Okay, which are the natural changes and human-made changes? It is given here. All of you read this. The changes made themselves, തനിയെ ഉണ്ടാകുന്ന ചേഞ്ച്, natural change, and the changes are made by humans. നമ്മൾ ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യുന്നത് human-made changes. And here some examples for natural changes, that are phases of the moon, full moon, crescent moon, and half moon. These are the phases of a moon, and these changes are made by the nature itself. It happens in the nature itself, and so this is an example for natural changes, phases of the moon. പല ദിവസങ്ങളിലും ഇതുപോലെ നമുക്ക് കാണാം അല്ലേ. Then next is, every night the shape and size of the moon change. The different shapes of the moon are called phases of moon. The different shapes of the moon are called phases of the moon. Then weather keeps changing every day. It may be hot, cold, rainy, windy, cold, or cloudy. അല്ലേ, ഈ വെദർ നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചു, കാലാവസ്ഥ പഠിച്ചല്ലേ. അത് ചിലപ്പോൾ ചൂടായിരിക്കും, ചിലപ്പോൾ തണുപ്പായിരിക്കും, ചിലപ്പോൾ മഴയായിരിക്കും അല്ലേ, ചിലപ്പോൾ ക്ലൗഡ് ഉണ്ടാകും, ചിലപ്പോൾ തണുപ്പുണ്ടാകും. അപ്പം എന്താ, ഈ ചേഞ്ചസ് നമ്മളാണോ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നത്? നോ, വി ആർ നോട്ട് മേക്കിംഗ്. The changes happens, the weather changes happens in the nature itself. So this is also example for natural change. ഇതും എന്ത് ചേഞ്ച് തന്നെയാണ്? നാച്ചുറൽ ചേഞ്ച് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ്. Then we learned seasons പഠിച്ചു അല്ലെ? സമ്മർ, വിന്റർ ആൻഡ് മൺസൂൺ. These also natural change. And when the same type of weather continues for many days, it is called what? Season. Seasons keep changing throughout the year. Summer, winter and monsoon are the three main seasons of the year. Three main seasons of the year: summer, winter and monsoon. Okay, and these also natural change. Then growth, an egg hatches into a nestling. മുട്ട വിരിയുന്നത്. This also natural change we are not making. And growth of a plant from a seed. സീഡിൽ നിന്ന് ചെടി ഉണ്ടാകുന്നത്. A seed grows and changes into a seedling, means this baby plant is called seedling. So from the seed who comes out, seedling comes out growing a new baby plant. This is also example for natural change. Natural change. Okay, so we learned phases of the moon, weather, seasons, growth of a seed and that hatching of egg. All these are natural changes. Then multiple choice questions are given. An egg first hatches into a nestling. ഒരു എഗ് ആദ്യം എന്താ ബേബി ഉണ്ടാവും അല്ലേ? ബേബി ബേർഡ്. That is nestling. So all of you mark this answer. And which is the main season of the year? Windy, cold, summer. So main season of the year, summer. So all of you read this and learn natural changes and human-made changes today. Okay, and all should learn well for your midterm exam. Okay.